Everyone, today I'm going to review the Golf GameBook app. So Golf GameBook is an app made for golfers who want a simple way to make their game more organized. So instead of using a regular paper scorecard, the app gives you a digital way to keep everything in one place. So it is helpful because you can track your round, check your scores, and follow your progress while playing. The app feels useful for both casual players and people who play golf more often. So one of the main things that makes it helpful is that it can make scoring easier and cleaner. You do not have to worry about losing a scorecard or writing everything down manually. And everything can be saved inside the app, which makes it more convenient. And another good thing here about Golf GameBook is that it gives players a better view of their performance. And after a round, you can look back at your scores and see how the game went. So this can help you understand your progress and notice what parts of your game need more practice. And overall, Golf GameBook is a useful golf app if you want something simple, organized, and easy to follow. It is not just about recording scores, but also about making the golf experience feel smoother and more connected. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.